Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, I'm Tangela and this is Tan Made. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome. While at the Dollar Tree, I picked up this piece of wood in their wood section, and I also have this bottle of brown shoe polish that I'm going to use as a stain. And I'm just going to actually stain the outside of this and just a little bit of the top, just to dim down some of that bright or light wood. And also, while I was at the Dollar Tree, I picked up this moss bunny rabbit and some little baby bunny rabbits. The bigger mommy rabbit was $3, but I'm just gonna cut away the bow that she came with, and we're just gonna replace it with some jute cord there. And I'm trying my best to tie a bow because y'all know I'm bow challenged. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. Still getting used to my new setup, and I need to measure that out. So here I'm just placing my little baby bunny rabbits just to see where I'm wanting to sit them. And then I'm going to hot glue it all down. After hot gluing all the bunny rabbits to the base, I'm going to also hot glue some brown moss, or the little brown grass. And after gluing all the moss down, covering up the base, and you'll see how this one turned out. And let me know if you guys would have done something different with your moss bunnies, or if I should have used maybe a bigger base. But let me know, and here's how it turned out. Here I have this wooden Easter egg or egg from Dollar Tree. I'm going to just start by taking off this label, and I use my heat gun for that. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer. And I also got these picks also from the Dollar Tree, and I took them off of the stem, and now I'm just going to glue them onto the wood piece. After gluing my florals to the wood piece, I took this white piece of burlap, and I'm just going to measure it across the bottom portion of the egg, and then I'm going to hot glue that down. And I'm just pulling this a little taut and just gluing it down. Then I took this piece of ribbon and I put it across the top there just to make a border to cover up those rough edges, and I hot glued that down. And after getting that all glued down, I went ahead and cut off the excess of the material. After cutting that excess off, I wanted to also add these ears, and it's actually a headband, as you can see, and I just simply hot glued it onto the back of the egg. And then I took this pre-made bow and just wanted to embellish that bottom portion there. And I also just stuck one of the little tiny wooden rabbits onto the bow. And here's how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute. And I'm loving the lavender color. Tell me down in the comments what you think. With this bunny rabbit that I picked up from Dollar Tree, I want to give it a different look. A springy look, if you will. And I also have this Waverly chalk paint and celery. I was just rubbing where I took a staple out and it left a hole, so I'm going to use some wood filler to fill that hole, and then we're going to sand the whole piece down. As that wood filler was drying, I went ahead and used my hot gun to remove those labels. After sanding and cleaning it all off, I went on ahead and painted it this celery color. Here it is all painted. I made this little bow off camera. We're gonna put that there. I may change that at the end, not sure. And then that little container I have, as I was just showing you guys, I got off of my egg carton. And I took little pieces of floral foam and put it inside of the little egg slots. And I also painted that little egg carton, as you can see, the same color as the bunny. And then I just hot glued that little container I made onto the back of the bunny. And I'm putting in these leaves just to kind of help cover up the floral foam. Then I stuck in these beautiful baby light pink and dark pink roses. And now I just put down some jingle blocks just to help it stand on its own. And this is how this turned out. I just wanted to look different in the way of showing flowers coming out the back of the rabbit. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.